What's up, guys? How we doing? How we doing? Got a special little treat for myself this evening. I have one box of 2021 Topps Chrome Sapphire update series, and you can see it right here. You can look at the odds, see what we can pull. On average, you get one auto per box and one parallel as well. Sometimes there are boxes with more than one parallel. Don't know if you can get more than one auto, but I'm going to try. And it's 8 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Really nice looking cards. Sapphire edition is always a good time. And yeah, I figured I'd rip one box for myself. I do have another 2 of these bad boys that we are going to be ripping for the channel on Monday, and that break is in our eBay store now and will be on the website on Thursday evening. If you're looking to join on in, go ahead and grab your teams. But until then, I'm going to rip into this one for myself. I always slow roll myself on personal breaks. Feel free if you want to speed it up. Not a slow roll fan. Feel free to speed it on up. I like to torture myself. Alright, let's see what the product looks like this year. We're getting close to baseball season. I can smell it. Alright, starting off with a Josh Rojas base. Behind him, Drew Pomeranz. Behind Mr. Pomeranz, Jose Devers, first rookie. And Starmount, closing out pack number 1. Number 2, we got Matt Moore, and looks like we may have our auto behind Mr. Moore. Push that to the back. There's Khalil Lee, rookie, Metsy. And then we have Ashton Goudeau, rookie, and behind him is purple. It is a purple. Could just be a parallel. Might also be our auto. Let's see. I saw a rookie logo. Purple for the Yanks. That is going to be Debbie Garcia. Purple Sapphire rookie auto. That's not a bad one. And that is to 10. That is not a bad one at all. I'll take it, even though it is for my hated New York Yankees. Alright. Can't discriminate if you're going to collect. There is Jake Lamb, Dylan Moore, Jazz Chisholm debut, rookie. It's a good one to get. And behind Mr. Chisholm, Queen's High. There's my Metsies again. Then we have Aaron Hicks. There's Iglesias. Another rookie coming up behind Mr. Iglesias. That is going to be Kyle Isbell. And behind Mr. Isbell, we have Garrett Stubbs. 3 packs left. There is Jed Lowry. Behind Mr. Lowry, Tyler Ivey. Behind Mr. Ivey, Chris Rodriguez, and then CJ Crone. And then we got Ross Stripling, Blankenhorn, rookie, Tyone, and Kyle Cody, rookie. And last pack of the break, Savali, and we got green behind Mr. Savali. That is going to be Eric Gonzalez, green. And greens on number 250. JBJ, and closing it out with an Andrew Stevenson. I'll put together a quick little hit recap with some bigger hits from the break. All right. Base rooks. Got Devers, Gurley, and a Chisholm debut. Got the green Eric Gonzalez to 50, and a purple auto Devi Garcia to 10. Pretty solid break, if I may say so. And I will have 2 boxes of this going for you guys on Monday, so check that out. Otherwise, we are back at it later today with our last group breaks of the week up on our eBay store now, and I will be back at it later this week. I got a few more products coming in, including WWE Prism that I'll be doing for personal breaks. Thank you guys so much for joining. As always, peace and love all.